Jumps up onto the fucking concrete and over, man.
You landed his feet? You landed his feet?
Woo! What a fucking dog, man.
Get back up.
Look at his fucking left back.
Come here. Get up here. Get up here. That was pretty high, guys.
It is still. Go to the end. Do it again.
Come on. Come on. You can make it. You can make it. Come on. Why'd you jump over? Get up here. Get up here.
Get up.
Get up here. Come on. Steven, go around again. Come here.
Give him a leash.
Sit down. Sit down. Good boy.
He's fucking running.
Good boy. No, I'll have to jump over and grab him. What a fucking idiot. Sit down.
I was like, come here.
Sit down. Sit down. Good jump though, buddy. Fuck.
I could, but I fucking did it.
Yeah, man. Clean this thing and what? Did he just go right over the fucking thing, eh? What a fucking idiot.
After a fucking squirrel or something, bro. If you went over this way, fuck, you'd be probably something broken.
It's not that much higher though.
About
Fuck.
up here. Yes,